Hey, welcome to another episode, Fix It with Jeff. Today, we're going to troubleshoot P0410 code, which is secondary air system. So, walking you through the components. Down here, behind the wheel well, is what's called an air pump. So that secondary air pump pumps basically oxygen from the outside into diverter valves. So here's one diverter valve here for bank 1, and you have your other diverter valve here for bank 2, or vice versa. I think that's bank 1 and this is bank 2. So this is what they look like. You have your bank 2. It works on vacuum to open up a valve that's in here to bring in air into the exhaust. Basically what it does, it cleans up air. So if you have this code, you won't pass emissions. I found that out. So I tried to troubleshoot what might be wrong. And then I remembered that when I was doing the tune-up, and I'm gonna show you all these vacuum lines. These vacuum lines were very brittle, and I did end up breaking one of the vacuum lines. So we'll go ahead and get our cover off and show you what that looks like. Oh, also as part of the air system, you have this relay right here. This relay turns on and off your pump, and in addition to that, you have your fuse. Which, in looking at your fuse block here, it'll be this 50 amp fuse here. All right, so you have a fuse, you have your relay, you have vacuum, and then you have your air pump. So we'll start the vehicle and then you can hear that air pump. So I don't know if you can hear that little whining noise. That's our air pump. The air pump is sending air through the diverters. The vacuum is opening. There's also a relay. We can hear it turn off. It lasts for about 30 seconds. Okay. And you notice your RPMs go down also. So it's also adjust your air flow rate. Okay, so you saw how that changed your RPMs now. Now we're going to go ahead and get this cover off. I'll show you what my problem was getting the P0410 code. So sometimes it could be your fuse, your relay. So you have to basically, if you don't hear your pump run, you know it's your relay. So my issue is here's the vacuum solenoid that turns on and off the vacuum line for the solenoid. So my issue was that I broke that line, and I figured I could just put tape over it. If it did, that didn't work. So just got a simple plastic little hose. So I just got this hose and basically split it over the 2 pieces. Because what was happening is it was not getting any vacuum coming back this way to hit this bit any vacuum right now. By testing vacuum like this. So you got vacuum coming all through here, all through here. So when you're working on this engine, you gotta be very careful not to break into these lines. Another issue I've seen is that this goes bad, but luckily I'm not having that. I'm not having an intake issue. So right now I think I fixed my code. I don't have a check engine light. And the only way I know that is by looking at my monitors. So we're going to check my monitors. Alright, so I have 4 monitors that are left to complete. Alright, so last time that this happened, when the secondary air system monitor was okay. Check engine light came on. Obviously, I have no check engine light. My secondary air monitor system is okay, so we're good to go. Now we're waiting on 4 more monitors, which I know will work. They've worked before. So yeah, I put a new Cadillac converter in. I'm going to attach that to this video here, so that way you can see the process of doing that. And then other than that, I think we're good. We're going to go ahead and get this taken in for emissions test, so we can renew our plate sticker. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, fix it with Jeff.